Hello, and welcome back. I'll demonstrate how to set up this Dragon Ball Z anime setup in today's video. The widget shows the current day, date, and time, among other basic information. I used a simple white icon set. Try subscribing if you're new here. Get the necessary apps listed in the description. If you're experiencing trouble downloading, watch the videos displayed in the I button. So if you're new, don't skip it.
You're a superhero.
Now, let's begin the video. Download and extract the backup file from the description. Set the image as wallpaper. Go back and apply Nova Backup. Open as Other. Open with Nova Launcher and touch OK to restore Nova settings. Touch to create a widget, then open and search for widget number N13. To load the widget, make sure you've installed Noodle KWGT. Resize the widget to 100% and save and exit. You did it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, I'm signing off.